Hello everybody, and I wanted to show you all this because I haven't really been doing videos in quite a bit. I've been busy doing other things. This is one of the things I've been doing. I got a special surprise to show everybody, and it's an old player that my grandparents had, and you're probably going to be surprised at what it is. So let's, and by the way, I don't know if Joseph Sabora has this, but this is my blanket throw. This was like one of the things I got for Christmas. It's a pretty nice throw. Definitely recommended. Alright, here it is. Here is the player I'm talking about. This is a Sanyo Betamax player. Now, Sanyo used to call it Betacord, and that was their line for Betamax players. Now, what I was actually doing, I was trying to get this back into working order. My grandmother didn't want this, so I decided to keep it for myself and fix it up. Now, at the time that I got this, it wasn't playing any tapes. And that's because this belt was worn. It was so worn that I ended up cutting it. And that's the reason why it's like that. But it was so worn that it was practically unusable. So I ended up replacing this belt. And I replaced another belt. And as a result, it works better. And the good news is, it has playback. But there was another problem. The idler tires, both of them. There's two idler tires inside this Betamax player. And what I ended up doing, and I found this online, I found out that I could take the tires out and turn them into a position to where there's no worn spots on the tire. And that's what I basically did for both. And thankfully, the tape rewinds and fast forwards. Because that was the other problem, that it wasn't rewinding and it was still kind of eating the tape a little. But thankfully what I did helped that. But I want to make sure that it's all right. I want to make sure that this thing works properly with everything attached, everything put back together. You're going to find that out today. Alright, I have everything powered on. First, I'm going to put in the tape, play it. Let's see. It's moving. It is. See, it looks like it's playing. I'll fast forward here. Now I'm gonna fast forward. Sometimes it's ate the tape, and that's the reason why you're hearing that. Okay. Rewind. Looks like it's rewinding flawlessly. And fast forwarding flawlessly. Play it. Now just play it a little. Perfect. Now, I'm going to show you what it's like on the TV. Of course, I had to plug in something else because if I don't, there'll be no screen. So, here we go. And there it is. Thank you very much for watching. And if you had Betamax back in the day, or your parents had Betamax, or you have Betamax right now, let me know. Comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. And I might get some beta tapes in the near future. Peace out, everybody. Be back in our regular